आनंद भास्कर रोपुलु।
माननीय सह सभापति महोदय, माननीय मंत्री महोदय रामविलास पासवान जी वर्तमान क्रांतिकारियों में एक महान स्थान ग्रहण करने वाले हैं।
कर लिए,
मगर इन्हों ऐसी सरकार में है कि वो सरकार जिनके तरफ देखते हैं, जिसके ऊपर हाथ लगाते हैं, उसके तरफ पूरा भारतवर्ष ही नहीं, पूरा विश्व ही शक से अनुमान से देख रहे हैं। इसलिए आज की आपकी ये प्रक्रिया इतना अनुमान व्याप्त कर रहे हैं कि इज देयर एनी अल्टीरियर मोटिव to push which is not at all necessary. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in 1957 established Central Warehousing Corporation, and that Central Warehousing Corporation was never dependent on union government. In turn, it has given fruits, it has given riches, it has given resources. It is the strength of the nation. The concept of storage, the capacity of storage indicates the level of confidence of individual, family, and the state. In India, the worth of warehousing industry at the moment is 4,34,000 crore, and it is annually growing at 10%. During our UPA regime, we ensured to evolve an authority, Warehousing Development Regulatory Authority, in 2007 to streamline, to ensure the scientific expansion of warehousing in the country. The industrial and the retail requirement of the warehousing is at 55%, wherein agricultural warehousing is just 15%. But agricultural and food grains and FMCG, those who are in need of cold storage is of 16%. It is not unknown to you that the scarcity of the storage, in particular the food grains and the perishable vegetables and fruits, and the horticulture including flowers and other tissue culture, is giving us loss of 55 crore rupees per annum. And it is rapidly expanding because of the expansion of the horticulture and the cultivation of the vegetables and fruits. At the present estimate, to build a nominal 15,000 square foot warehousing capacity, it is costing us 15 crore rupees. The UPA has evaluated the Jati Gramin Bandar Yojana. We are also having the Food Corporation of India. We were also having in all the states the state warehousing corporations. Even then, we are facing this scarcity. And we are also having the record before us. In 2010 and 2011, the industrial output has surpassed the growth levels of the services. This establishes the need of the scientific warehousing. The Central Warehousing Corporation has built the globally appreciated scientific warehousing units, silos, which has brought us very good image and dividend. There is every necessity to have the investment to the tune of 45 lakh crore rupees by 2017 to attain the food retail sector business to 3,10,000 crores by 2025. If you make ready the storage capacity, our confidence will rise. We were regularly having International Warehousing Corporation exhibitions. I am not mentioning the situation of our regime, UPA, but the intermittent season of 2014, the international exhibition of the warehousing in India has attracted above 8,000 visitors from 31 countries and shown us 210 solutions for the scientific space utilization. There is Rural Development Ministry, in which there is one corporate, and even IIT of Delhi, they have developed the model of low-cost warehousing. The warehousing capacities have to be grown across the rural India. Then only we can ensure the growing power of the rural population and their purchasing capacity. For that, what we need to do? At this juncture, though your piece of legislation is not going to harm the Central Warehousing Corporation, but doubts are looming large that your intention may be ulterior to grab its strength and the stamina and marrow of the Central Warehousing Corporation. For that, there is every necessity to ensure that that will not be utilized for the wrong purposes other than warehousing purposes of the nation. And the agricultural market committees and the self-help groups have developed their small godowns all across the nation. Please ensure to have Jatiya Gramin Bandar Yojana and try to utilize that plan to establish at least one reasonably suitable godown at each and every block or mandal level.
Now you conclude. You're taking.
I am in a mood to conclude, sir, since you are here, you shall also hear a minute, please. For this, let us utilize the Digital India. What UPA has given is the platform. What UPA has given is the hardware. What UPA has given is the scientific innovation. With that, the available information technology shall be utilized in the warehousing corporations for the stock visibility and stock traceability. Then you can ensure the dock-to-stock situation.
Rahula, please conclude.
For that, I advise the union government to initiate the rural level go-down structures and also encourage the individual farmers to have their self-storage capacities and try to enhance the cold chains as in the lines of UPA has ensured to have a great corridor, Delhi to Mumbai corridor. It is having the great infrastructure facility including warehousing, and we have also thought of the free trade warehousing zones in the lines of special economic zones. Try to utilize the models and the facilities which are available and try to encourage the government establishments to utilize the space for the warehousing corporations.
Okay.
Besides utilizing the rural agricultural market committees to expand the go-down facility and warehousing. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Rapulu.